Imagine waking up to find your bank account growing while you sleep, not by luck, but by a system so precise it feels like a cheat code. Most people spend their entire lives trading time for money, never realizing that the rules of the game changed years ago. If you're tired of the endless grind and ready to master the art of true financial independence, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the exact blueprint that the top 1% uses to stay ahead of the curve, uncovering the hidden strategies that your bank doesn't want you to know. This isn't just about saving pennies, it's about a total wealth revolution. Stay tuned, because what we're about to reveal will change your financial perspective forever. Welcome back to the Dollar Pilot. In today's deep dive, we are exploring the fundamental shifts in the global economy and how you can position yourself to thrive regardless of market volatility. In today's deep dive, we are exploring the fundamental shifts in the global economy and how you can position yourself to thrive regardless of market volatility. Understanding wealth isn't just about knowing how to invest. It's about understanding the psychology of money and the mechanics of compounding interest in a digital age. Many experts argue that the traditional path of get a degree, get a job, and save is becoming obsolete in the face of rising inflation and shifting job markets. Instead, the modern investor must look toward diversified assets, whether that's through high-yield index funds, strategic real estate, or the emerging world of decentralized finance. We need to analyze why some people manage to build empires from scratch while others stay stuck in the cycle of debt. It often comes down to the velocity of money, how fast your capital moves from one investment to the next to generate maximum returns. Furthermore, we must address the importance of tax efficiency. It's not about how much you make, but how much you actually keep. As we look at the current trends in the US market, it's clear that technology is the biggest lever we have. From AI-driven stock analysis to automated budgeting tools, the resources available today are unprecedented. However, with great power comes the need for great discipline. You must avoid the common pitfalls of emotional trading and get-rich-quick schemes that plague the internet. Success in the financial world is a marathon, not a sprint, and it requires a steadfast commitment to continuous learning and adaptation. We will also cover the essential habit of paying yourself first, a concept that ensures your future self is taken care of before you even consider your monthly expenses. Everything is beginning to surge again. Interestingly, every time we've seen historical winning streaks like this in the past, the market index was trading higher 1 year later 100% of the time, delivering an average gain of 26%. Even the Nasdaq is currently on track for its 12th consecutive green day, marking its most significant bull market rally since the summer of 2009. Ignore the short-term noise and stay committed to dollar cost averaging over a 20-year time span. It's that simple. My message here at the Dollar Pilot remains the same. Stay skeptical of the hype, avoid speculating on random get-rich-quick schemes, and stick to your personal finance plan. Stay invested, practice the buy and hold strategy, and don't let the short-term madness distract you from building generational wealth.